another matter which came to our notice related to persons who had occupied vacant evacuee properties without permission, taking advantage of the abnormal circumstances prevailing after the partition. Full stop. It seemed unfair to us that after all these years, large scale dislocation of these persons, many of whom were Muslims, should be caused by asking them to leave the houses. Full stop. We, therefore, decided that occupation by those persons who had occupied the premises on or before the 31st December 1950, may be regularized provided that the arrears of rent were paid. Full stop. To help those who were unable to pay the arrears of rent, the facility of payment in 12 installments was given. Full stop. In regard to the large number of judicial proceedings pending in the custodian's department, I wrote personally to every custodian expressing my deep anxiety in the matter and the need for speedy disposal. Full stop. I also pointed out to them the desirability of taking a broad view of evacuee property cases and not to be guided by narrow or legalistic considerations. Full stop. As a result of the persistent efforts in this direction, the number of cases has been brought down to less than half. Full stop. Not content with the above measures, a thorough review of the provisions of the evacuee property law was carried out with a view to finding out whether any of the provisions could be amended with a view to simplifying the procedure. Full stop. The present bill, which has been passed by the Lok Sabha, is the outcome of this examination. Full stop. I would like to mention, some of its important features. Full stop. Another matter which came to our notice was that the custodians were sometimes using the provisions of section 6, which empowers them to exercise superintendence and control over the subordinate officers, to reopen cases already decided under the provisions of the Act. Full stop. In order to obviate improper use of this section, it is being made clear through clause 2 of the bill that the custodian will not question judicial orders passed by the subordinate officers under the general powers of superintendence and control, full stop. The power of superintendence and control of the custodian journal is, however, being retained, full stop, in cases of glaring injustice, the custodian journal would be able to rectify matters by passing orders under the provisions of section 27, which gave him the power to call for the record of any proceedings for the purpose of rectifying himself as to the legality or propriety of any order, and to pass a suitable order on it, full stop. It has been provided that the custodian journal should be able to condone delays under the Indian Limitation Act, full stop.